Alright, niggas wanna know about this, what Munchie Mo doing. Saying he ain't HTX ready. Mo is what he always been. Capelli Entertainment. #1 motherfucking label out of Houston gonna run this shit. #1 nigga in the street. Who the fuck else in the street? Who y'all see in the street? I don't see none of these niggas in the street. All these niggas is cartoon rappers. Lucky who? Lucky you the broad. All them niggas hoes. You see my face before, nigga. You been a few feet from me, nigga, but you's a hoe. All them niggas hoes. I'm the streets, nigga. I'm the nigga y'all see in the street. Capelli Entertainment. Manchester United. We the niggas really doing this shit. Y'all niggas is garbage, rapping garbage shit. Fuck with me. Taking over this shit. Real money on you bitches. That's all I got for them hard both of you.